mother.
You kidding me? Stand up.
On November 3rd, 2023, deputies responded to a domestic dispute where a man reported that his girlfriend had bitten him, struck him with a guitar, and hurled a rock at him while he was seated in the car.
It's dismissed for this shit.
Same thing? She was beating on you?
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
I think shit would change.
What's her name?
Aurora Fernandez.
Sheriff's office. Well, we have medics on the. She's scratching me on my arms, and then I get on top and I just hold it down the best I can. And then I get tired. I try to like jump off of her and try to leave, go to the other room, and she's like breaking shit.
Dispatch mentioned something about a rock. Did she threaten you with a rock?
Yeah.
All right, just sit right here. Yeah, I have contact with that 41 over here. What's going on?
He's a fucking asshole. He fucking hurt me all over the place.
We have EMS. They're gonna come check out your hand. What happened to your hand?
I don't know.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had just started drinking and he got pissed off and that's when he started hitting me.
Just have a seat.
I need something to drink.
All right, I'll get you something to drink. Have a seat.
It's right there. This isn't even my pain on that fucking phone.
Okay, but that's your phone though, right? Correct? This one?
Right.
Why do you have his phone then?
Because I pay for everything here. I pay for everything here. He's not even a fucking man to be even paying for shit here.
How did all this start, Aurora?
Ask him.
He told me. I don't want to get your side though.
Well, then go with
sex. I didn't want to have sex because she said she was on a period, and after that,
Are you guys married? She wanted to have sex. She's on her period, so do you know if she's on her period? Like, have you seen her
well, yeah,
use the tampon, use
and
pads?
She told me she was using pads, and she told me that she was bleeding more than usual.
Okay, so I need you to get out.
I'm not gonna get out. Not until you have a warrant out for my arrest or whatever the fuck you need. But I am not leaving my premises right here.
Okay.
I'm not leaving it.
Aurora, you need to listen to me. If you do not leave, what you are doing is you're obstructing me
I don't give a
from
shit.
the investigation.
I don't fucking give a shit.
What's going on? Call your lawyer right now.
This
Tell him
is
what's going on.
ridiculous with you guys.
Because I want you to know right now, we are giving you optimal opportunity.
I don't give a
to
shit what you're trying
comply.
to do. Let me get my parent over here.
Aren't you an adult?
For they can witness. Mom!
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Can you come into the trailer, please?
I have a broken window now.
Because I was sitting in the bed, and he went over there and tried to get me out.
You're
And I
saying.
ended up going out the passenger seat when I heard the, like, crashing sound of the window.
So you were in the driver's seat, and then you heard the crashing sound.
No.
Okay. Can you step up?
Do I?
You want to go talk to your mom real fast?
No.
You want to step outside and talk to her?
No. She can come inside.
Okay. Well, Aurora, I'm telling you right now, you're going to be under arrest. Okay?
For what?
For domestic violence.
No, he's the one that hit me.
He did hit you. You're right. He did hit you. But I need you. Can you move your feet
Do
down
you
and
not
step up?
see my finger is bruised from where he hit me last time?
Aurora.
Okay. Come on, Aurora.
I'm not getting up. I need to go to the bathroom first. Stop it. Mom! 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 I need to pee. I need to pee. I need to go to the bathroom. You fucking assholes.
Aurora, cut it out.
6'9", Central
You
1.
fucking assholes. I need to go to the bathroom.
You need to stop talking. Don't talk. Just listen. Just do what they tell you. You listen to
Stop
her.
twisting your wrist.
I'm not twisting it.
Yes, it's twisted.
Anyway,
Loosen it.
please take.
Loosen
You
it.
don't need that.
She gets out in the car.
Loosen it.
We'll help
She
you take her.
she hasn't been listening to us. She's been like this the entire time.
No, bullshit.
As you can see, there's a lot of space in the handcuffs. She's just turning her wrist.
No,
Well, they came over here because you were in trouble.
no, because that fucking called and that's why. I need to pee.
Well,
Let me go to the bathroom.
Aurora.
Are you
Aurora, calm down.
Aurora.
Are you gonna let
Calm
me
down.
piss on myself?
We're gonna let you go
Am I
pee
gonna
if you would
piss on
calm down.
myself?
Aurora.
I need to go to the
Okay, let her
bathroom.
go to the bathroom.
I'm on my In period, you stupid asshole.
Hey, shh, ya, Aurora. Pórtate
Let me go to
bien.
the bathroom.
Pórtate bien, mija.
No, es que se porten ellos bien también, que están ahí
you-
chingando.
Well, they have to do their
Pinches
work.
mamadas.
They have to do their work.
No,
Is she
no,
gonna get a med clearance?
go to the bathroom. It
more charges. Let's
doesn't, no cuesta nada dejarme ir.
Aurora, you're acting like a
Let me
Come on.
go to the bathroom.
Take her out. Take her out. Get her out of here. Get her out of
I
here.
need to pee.
Watch your step. Get her out of here.
That's what I was trying. She was getting mad.
You kidding me?
Go on your side.
You?
Relax, okay? Can you sit up on your butt?
No. You.
All right. You know what?
You.
Have a seat.
You guys. Basically what happened, she's upset about the sexual relationship that they are having, or not having. She's on her period, just how she said. She started attacking him, started biting him. When I talked to her, her story doesn't match up. His story...
But I guess they dropped some charges because this has gone on already. This is
Gotcha.
an ongoing thing.
That's the law.
Disgusting.
That's right. That's what you